What's going on, people? I have here a brand new Dangerous Music D-Box Plus. I am so excited to get this thing out of the box and into my rack. So let's do it. So yeah, let's take it out of the box and see what we got. Very simple packaging there, nothing too crazy. Just got the USB cable, regular 3-prong IEC power cord, the unit itself. Let's see here. Manual and a 220, 240 volt spare fuses. That's pretty nice. So I've actually already read this manual online. Downloaded it as soon as I got the unit, so I could, check it out and know what I was getting into before I even took it out the box. So yeah, there's that. And there she is. Dangerous D-Box Plus. Beautiful. Yeah, so very simple packaging, straight to it. No frills or extra, things to get in your way. Just literally open the box and the unit's sitting right there. If you're not familiar with it, I'll just give you the quick rundown. You've got 2 headphone outputs, so you've got 1 and 2 phone. 1 is phones and 2 is control room, so you can literally have 2 separate headphone mixes going, so that's pretty nice. Talkback right here, which of course is going to feed into your headphones. Here is your phone selector, so the actual source that's feeding the phones, and you have 5 different sources there: analog, some, Bluetooth audio, USB, and also AES or SPDIF. Then you've got your control room source, so the same 5 sources there. You've got your speaker control, so you can do up to 3 separate speakers with this unit, or you could have 3 be dedicated to a sub, so that's pretty nice. And the mono switch is also right there. Your line output here, which can switch between getting what the headphones is getting or what the control room is getting, and then Bluetooth enable. I'm really excited about that feature, being able to stream Bluetooth audio directly into this thing. Here's your summing section, so where you can see your signal for your summing, and then the actual sum trim. Your mono for 7 and 8, and then the last thing is your volume knob. So yeah, and take a look at the back of the unit real quick. All your ins and outs right there. So yeah, get that in the camera. Sweet. Well, that was a quick unboxing. So yeah, I'm gonna get this thing into the rack and plugged in and fire everything up and see what we're working with. Thanks for watching.